वेलकम टू यू वन्स अगेन इन अवर यूट्यूब चॅनल इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स शिरोडा. आणि अजूनही तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसाल तर निश्चितच करा आणि बेल आयकनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका, जेणेकरून नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला लगेच मिळतील. ओके, सो वन्स अगेन वी आर हिअर फॉर डिबेटिंग अँड दे आर व्हेरी एनर्जेटिक गर्ल्स and they are here for debating, which I will give them one point and they will talk on that point. So students, listen here. Now today I will give you very unique point. Okay, so you know about homework is very essential and very important thing in our life, in every student's life. Okay, so but sometimes what happen, students are bored to do this homework which teachers are giving always. Okay, so here debate point is that it's really important homework or homework should be banned. What is your answer? Should homework be banned or not? Okay, you have to choose first your point, yes or no. If yes, then why? Okay, listen again question. Should homework be banned or not? Homework means you are school going students. Okay, so you first give short introduction and then after you tell on which side would you like to talk. Okay, understood? So start.
Hello friends, myself Khushi Narvekar. I am from Ubadanda, Vengurla. I have completed year 17 days.
Hello friend, myself Gayatri Vargavkar. I have completed 15 days. 15 days. I am from Mochemat.
Okay, so you answer what? Should homework be banned or not? Yes or no?
Yes, should homework be banned?
Okay, means your answer is that homework should be banned. Homework ban व्हायला पाहिजे. Okay, you have to tell why. And your answer obviously homework shouldn't be banned. Homework ban होता कामा नये. Why? Then you have to tell answer. Okay, you have to cover your all points. Understood? Okay, just talk confidently. Start.
No, if homework banned, then student will not study because they will play after over school.
Yes.
I agree your point, but for homework, student mentally disturbed, so they need to rest.
Yeah, okay. Means you are talking about when their school over, then they directly come to everyday home and they are completing homework. Okay, so if homework ban, then they will not do study, they will play whole day with their friends. And sometimes they want relax.
Yes.
Okay, that's why homework should be banned, like this you are talking. Okay,
I agree your point, but
talk loudly.
if homework banned, then they will not improve reading.
And writing.
They will not improve reading and writing skill.
Yes.
I-
Means they will not do revision, and how can they improve their reading and writing skill? Yes, correct.
I agree your point, but student go to school, go to class, so teachers take revision for the student.
Okay,
They do not need to homework.
means she is talking about whole day they are taking revision, means they are taking revision only, means their teachers are taking a whole day revision and students are also doing revision. Okay, so she is talking about that's why they don't require any extra homework. Am I right?
Yes.
I agree your point, but students will not make revision what is taught in school.
Yeah, if homework banned, then
If homework banned, then student will not make revision what is taught in school.
Should I agree your point? Should homework be banned? So a student play with friends and chit chat with them, so they relax and happy.
yes.
I agree your point, but student will not improve their knowledge because they will play after our school. They can't improve their thoughts.
Yes.
I agree your point, but student don't should be homework be banned.
Homework banned.
If homework banned, student attend family function and they mix with them, so they stressless. Do stressless.
They get enjoyment. They refresh their mind. Okay, after means if homework is not there, she is talking about they can go to home and they can attend family function, they can chit chat with their family members also, and they can talk with their relatives, so they get enjoyment, they get happiness. Okay, if homework is there, then they have pressure, means I want to do my homework, I want to complete my homework, and that's why they are not enjoy any family functions.
Yes, I agree your point. But after if homework banned, then after returning school, a student might divert to play mobile games.
I agree your
Repeat again. Right?
If homework banned, then after returning school, student
Mind.
might divert to play mobile games.
Yeah, and it's very dangerous. No, nowadays you can see everywhere. So the school going, college going students are addicted to that playing mobile game, and it's very dangerous. Yes, and there are so many side effects.
I agree your point, but homework should be banned so student join different course, their favorite course and their career in there. So their bright future is very good.
Means she is talking about if homework ban, then the remaining time they can attend, they can join any other course which they like it, which means they can express their qualities, and it's good for their bright future. Yes.
Yes, I agree your point. But student will not study because they will play mobile game, and mobile is very dangerous.
If homework ban, no,
If
then.
homework ban, then and mobile is so side effect.
There are so many side effects of mobile games.
I agree your point, but some students they some student they think so their bright future, so
They give proper time.
they give proper time in their career.
Career. Yeah, I mean she is talking about who are serious no about their future, then they properly give time to their study, to their quality, to their playing. Okay.
If homework banned, then student our time gives time for their favorite thing, so they happy and joyful.
Yes, I agree your point.
Cooking.
Cooking,
Dancing.
drawing.
Homework ban.
If homework ban, so so student mix with family member and they chit chat with them.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Okay. So you have kept here so many points. Okay, and it was very interested point. So let me conclude this topic within one line. Yes, homework is very important. With the help of homework, we get revision. Okay, and student means we can recap what the teacher taught whole day in school or colleges. Okay, but in other way, sometimes there are so many pressure of homework. Some students are taking so many pressure of homework. So I suggest to their student that they should manage the timetable. Understood? They every student should manage the timetable about the writing skill, about the reading skill, about the playing and whatever. So both side we should be balanced. Okay, both side we should be balanced, then only we can. And teacher should focus to give practical homework, then only students will get practical knowledge. Got it? Practical homework. Okay, practically written homework not, I am talking about the written homework. As well as teacher should focus to give practical homework, then only they get enjoyment. Okay, and they can means when they will do no, then they will be fit their mind till the end. Got it? So homework is essential to every student's life. Okay, but their method it should be changed, like I told, practically. So yes, you have given good performance, and all the best for your next session. And thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe, and we will meet with new video. Now see you again. Bye.